Unraveling Ikigai, the Japanese secret to a purposeful life. In the heart of Japanese culture lies a beautiful concept that intertwines the essence of living with a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Known as IKIGAI. This concept is a compass for leading a life that is not only meaningful but also deeply satisfying. Ikigai is a compound of two Japanese words, iki, meaning alive or life, and gai, indicating benefit or worth. Together, they form a philosophy that advocates living a life that is worth the joy and challenges it brings. A life that benefits not just the individual, but also the world around them. The 4 pillars of Ikigai. At its core, Ikigai is about finding joy in life through purpose. It is often represented by 4 intersecting circles, each representing vital components: what you love, what you are good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. The convergence of these 4 elements carves out one's Ikigai, offering a path to fulfillment that balances personal desires with societal contributions. 1. What you love, your passion. Ikigai begins with identifying what you genuinely love doing. This isn't just a hobby or a fleeting interest, but something that deeply resonates with your soul. 2. What you are good at, your vocation. The second aspect focuses on your skills and talents. These are the abilities that come naturally to you, the things you excel at without excessive effort. 3. What the world needs, your mission. This component emphasizes the external impact of your actions. It's about recognizing the needs of the world and understanding how you can contribute to making it a better place. 4. What you can be paid for, your profession. The practical side of Ikigai, this element ensures that your passion and mission can sustain you. It's about finding a way to make a living by doing what you love and what benefits society. Finding your Ikigai. Discovering your Ikigai is a personal journey that requires introspection and honesty. It's about asking yourself profound questions and being open to where the answers might lead. Here are a few steps to help you find your Ikigai. Self-reflection. Take time to reflect on what brings you joy, what skills you possess, how you wish to impact the world, and what can sustain you financially. Experimentation. Try new things that interest you, and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Sometimes, your Ikigai lies in the most unexpected places. Feedback. Seek opinions from friends, family, and mentors. They can offer insights into your talents and passions that you might not have considered. Balance. Finding your Ikigai doesn't happen overnight. It's a balance between what satisfies you and what serves others, and it might evolve over time. The impact of living your Ikigai. Living a life aligned with your Ikigai has profound benefits. It enhances your well-being, brings joy, and gives you a sense of accomplishment. People who live their Ikigai report higher levels of happiness, longevity, and a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. In communities like Okinawa, known for its high number of centenarians, Ikigai is a way of life. Ikigai is not just a personal quest. It's a reminder that our lives are interconnected. By finding and living your Ikigai, you contribute to a world where everyone can find joy and purpose in their existence. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, Ikigai stands as a testament to the Japanese art of living a balanced, purposeful life. It encourages us to find harmony in our pursuits, to serve with our talents, and to cherish the joy of being alive.